Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a diamond painting unbagging preview to show you from Diamond Art Decor. So first of all, let's say thank you to Diamond Art Decor for letting me pick out a few things to show you. I think I have some good stuff here. And of course I will link the items below so that you can find them if you're interested in these items. So with that being said, if you are new here, take a minute, peek around on my channel. If you're into crochet or you like to look at yarn, I do those videos from time to time. You might want to check those out. And I do a crochet live on Friday afternoons. Always working on a fun project. And if books are your thing, I do a book discussion on Tuesday nights with my friend Brandy from Mystery of Diamonds. So peek around, see what there is to enjoy. Stick around for a while. Hit the subscribe button and you'll never miss any of the fun things that I put out there. All right, let's get to it. Are you ready? Let's get to it. Let's put these aside and we'll start with this big painting right here. So it comes with the toolkit, got some wax and a pen. And this is a 40 by 40 size. I love that they're doing these 40 by 40s. I think they're really cool. They're a nice large painting. And look, they've got like some embellishments around, we got fun stuff. We do have a little tiny bit of white background and that does not bother me one bit. We got a lot of special drills in this. We got special drills up along the top, that little hanging stuff up there on the tree, around the door, on the roof of this cute little, I call it a little gingerbread cottage, I mean, look at the gingerbread men. They're coming out the front door. They're hanging out there. That's their house. Super cute. Got some gifts. I'm assuming everything's just made out of gingerbread, You could just eat all of it. Okay, so how many drills do we have? We have 9. Let's see what we have. What do we have in our package of goodies here? Christmas, that's my time. So you're going to be seeing a lot of Christmassy things. Because I love all the Christmassy stuff. All right. Some clear rhinestones, gold, brown, a gingerbread house without brown, and peach. Look at those big things right there. Those some big old yellowy gold round. I'm assuming they're going on these X's here, those large spots. Then we have some small green ones. Those are pretty. Lots of round things here. Some blue, pearl, some red. And then we have, oh, those are really pretty. Those have the iridescent coating on them, gold faceted marquees. I'm seeing pinks and purples in there. Those are pretty. Yes, of course, we're going to have lots of rounds because, it's making like lights everywhere. Of course. Okay. All right. Let's set that one aside and let's start getting into these boxes, these fun boxes. You know how I feel about stuff in boxes. I try to get at least one item that is an off-canvas project with each of my orders. Ooh, this one's wooden. Okay, let's see. What do we... Oh, yeah, this is pretty. Very, very pretty. Is it broken? Yep, it's broken. Okay. Even the wooden things come broken. Really? Wow. Okay, let's see. Okay, yep, here's our little piece right here. Oh, boy. So that broke right off. That's our little candle flame. Broke right off the top there. Yep. Supposed to go right here. Oh, well, what do we do? Would anybody know? Probably nobody would know. Well, actually, looks like it should have been larger. I don't know. Oh, yep, hang on. There's more in the bottom of the box. I don't think you can fix this. I really don't think there's any way to fix it. But he's stuck right here. There we go. What does that other little C come from then? It's got two breaks in it. Where'd this go? I don't know. No idea. He broke off from somewhere. Wow, this one came kind of messed up. I will let them know that it came in a tattered state. And we'll see what they have to say about it. But, I don't know. I can't really tell where this came from. But anyhow, there's the flame. He's missing a flame. Okay. Well, it's still very pretty. with all the ribbon and the candles. All these big special drills on here are really pretty. Lots of pretty rounds, lots of marquees. Let's look and see what we have for drills. It's always unfortunate when things come broken. Most of the companies that I work with are really good. They usually, send me one in the next order or something like that. So we'll let them know. All right, our rhinestones are a yellow. That's almost like a gray. Red, green. That's it for rhinestones. So we have the round, a red, a smooth red marquee, the pearly yellows, gold faceted marquees, and those big green faceted marquees for those leaves. All right. I mean, it will be really pretty, right? It will be really pretty. Okay. Let's put all of our little pieces and parts over here on this box, and we'll look at the next one. Better luck next time, right? Better luck next time. I mean, I've said this, I don't know how many times. They really need to beef up packaging for these things that come in these boxes. Because, I mean, think about it. They throw them all into a little bag, and this little cardboard box just isn't sufficient. Okay, here's the little holder. This one's acrylic, and it appears to be in good shape. Okay, it looks familiar to me. Like, it seems like I have this one. I'll have to look through my stash and see. Do I have this one? I don't know. It seems that I do. This pretty pink snowman. I'm so into the pink stuff. I love it. And I love the special drills all over this. Special drills, special drills. They're everywhere. On the scarf, up and through here, all through here. Tons and tons of special drills on this. Super, super cute. Film on the front and the back. Make sure you peel it off. See, it's kind of coming off the back there. Make sure you peel it off so you get a really crisp, clear image coming through. All right, let's look at drills. Let's check out our drills. All right, rhinestones first. Oh yeah, there's lots of pretty stuff here. Clear rhinestones, whole bunch of pink, a little bit of orange. That's it for rhinestones. The rest of this is special drills. Pink teardrops. Beautiful iridescent marquees in the clear. Iridescent green teardrops. Pearls in white and pink. Love it. Love, love, love this one. If I do have this one, which I kind of get the feeling I do, this one will go into my giveaway box. So, that always is a benefit for you guys when I order something twice. The extra goes into my giveaways. So, anyhow, here's what we have. We got the snowman. We got the big gingerbread house. And then, of course, we have, unfortunately, our broken little candelabra situation there. So anyhow, that's what I have today. I appreciate it if you guys do all the YouTube things, like hit the like button, share, comment, sign up, become a subscriber to the channel. That's always helpful. All those things you do really help out, and I appreciate it greatly. So until next time, have a great day. And, we're getting to my time of year here. It is my season. Here we go. All right. I'll see you soon. Bye, everybody.